Hi. A frequently asked question we receive is, how do I verify the status of my immigration representative? If you're using an immigration consultant to assist with your Canadian immigration application, they must be in good standing with the College of Immigration and Citizenship Consultants. The CICC licenses and regulates the practice of regulated Canadian immigration consultants, or the RCIC for short. Otherwise, your representative must be a lawyer in good standing with a law society in Canada. So, to check if your consulting agency is an IRCC certified immigration consultant, first, go to Google and search for CICC Canada. When the results load, click on the link to the CICC website. Once on the homepage, scroll down and find the option, Find an Immigration Consultant. Click on it, then tap Find an Immigration Consultant again. Next, tap the Search for an RCIC. This will take you to the CICC search directory. Now, type in the name of the immigration consultant you want to inquire about. For this example, we'll use our registration information, and so our consultant with Northern Connections Canada Immigration is Kay Wilson, and we'll type that in. Once you've entered the name, scroll down and click Find. If the consultant is registered with the CICC, their name, status, and consultant ID will appear at the bottom of the screen. As you can see here, this is our registration information, and it shows that Kay Wilson is active with the CICC. You can also search by the name of the company or the location if you have that information. This is how you verify the status of any immigration representative you are using for your Canadian immigration application.